different sources of data, what kind of data types by source, data type by nature, and data by field. Now we discuss first of all data and its types of data by source. First of all, we discuss data. Data is the raw facts and figures. Data is the plural of a datum. The data by source is classified into primary data and secondary data. It is collection of any number of related observations. Primary data, the most original data in nature and have no undergone any sort of statistical treatment. Primary data is unorganized data, unprocessed, unarranged data, and it is also known as first-hand data. For example, data collected in population census. Now we discuss secondary data. Secondary data, the data which have undergone any sort of statistical treatment by statistical method at least once are called statistical data. For example, the material has been collected, classified, tabulated or presented in some form of certain purpose is called secondary data. Secondary data is sometimes is called second-hand data, processed data, arranged data, organized data. Collection of primary data. What is the collection? What is collection of primary data? Different methods are used for collecting the primary data. Primary data may be collected by using any of the following methods. Number one, direct personal observation by experts. Direct personal observation by experts, it means that under this method, the researcher himself collects the data from the respondent or respondent. In this method, the researcher has to present him on the spot to get first-hand information. It is used only when the field of inquiry is small and a greater accuracy is desired. This method is used in small-scale activity. It has many advantages. It is simple to understandable. It is easy to collectable. It is easily formulated, but it has more two disadvantages. It is being expensive, it is tedious, and it is time consuming method. Now we move to indirect oral investigation. In this method, primary data collection information is collected from the third party who is directly in touch with the information source. It is used where the information desired is complex. It is used when the data is collected in sensitive area. We use indirect oral investigation method. Now we move estimate through correspondence. Under this method, local agent or correspondent are appointed in the area of investigation. These correspondents are asked to collect information and transmit it to the researcher. Now move to investigation through questionnaire. What is questionnaire? Questionnaire is the list of questions relating to the issue in consideration. In this method, sending the questionnaire to the respondent by media collected the desired data using schedule or questionnaire. Collection of secondary data. Secondary data may be collected from the publications or record of number one international agencies like UNO, WHO, IMF, World Bank. These are international agencies. Then we get data from these agencies. It called secondary data. Federal and provincial government departments like Federal Bureau of Statistics, Ministry of Finance, etc. Autonomous bodies like WAPDA, CDA, LDA, research institutions are provided the data. This data is used as a secondary data. Bodies of businessmen and traders by using stock exchange, number of commerce and industries. These are also secondary data. Non-government organization. It means that NGOs, Apna, Citizen, Trust, etc. are provided to you secondary. Newspapers, magazines, and periodicals are used for people and consumer or researchers secondary. Data and its type of data by nature. Data. I define the data. Data is raw facts and figures. This is a flow chart which consists of all concerning topics about data by nature. Quantitative data, qualitative data. Quantitative data described in two ways, discrete data and continuous data. No qualitative data is described no numerical form. In continuous data have two scale, ratio scales and interval scale. Qualitative data has two scale, nominal scale. First of define types of data. Number one, quantitative data and qualitative data. Quantitative data are numeric, which has numerical values like height, weight, number of students. Qualitative data are not numerical, no numeric, like this is made of wood, was built in Italy, is deep brown. These are color, wood are the qualitative. Types of quantitative data, discrete data and continuous data. Discrete data are numerical data that have a finite number of possible values. For example, the number of children in any family, the number of houses in Islamabad. Now we move to continuous data. Continuous data have infinite possibilities like 1.4, 1.41, 1.414, 1.4142 and 1.141421 etc. Continuous data is continuously measurable. For example, age of new married couple, the number of stars in sky. Types of continuous data, interval data and ratio data. Interval data have meaningful interval between measurements, but there is no true starting point zero. Example, standardized scores, student scores, temperature in Fahrenheit. Ratio data have the highest level of measurement. Ratios between measurement as well as interval are meaningful because there is a starting point zero. For example, height of the student and age of the person. Types of qualitative data. Numerical. It is a not numerical data. It consists of two scale, nominal scale and ordinal scale. Nominal data have no order and thus only give names and labels to various categories. Example, gender, subject name. Ordinal data have order, but the interval between measurement is not meaningful. For example, quality, rating, product, grade, etc. Relationship among the data types. Ratio is increasing level of information and statistical manipulation. Ratio and interval is the highest order scale. Then we ordinal and nominal. Ratio and interval is a quantitative parametric test. Have a parametric test. Otherwise, ordinal and nominal have non-parametric tests. Ratio and interval are preferable your data. Data and its types by treatment. There are two types of data by treatment. Number one, ungrouped data and grouped data. Ungrouped data which have not been arranged in systematic order are called ungrouped data marks of this student. Like this data is the ungrouped data which is repeated values and repeated value or no values. Ungrouped data. Group data present in the form of frequency distribution are also called group data. Frequencies attached these data is called group data. Sometimes frequency distribution is also called editing data. After the data has been collected either from primary and secondary source, the midway collection of data and organization of data is editing of data. Editing is done to remove the discrepancies and errors of the fieldwork. In doing editing, it is attempted that the data should be complete, consistent, and accurate and homogeneous.